Hi, Evan. My name is Ben Ong from 88 Tuition. Hi. All right. So let's begin lessons today. Can? Okay, come. Children, let's begin lesson already. Right. The time now is 5:30. I don't like to start late. All right. Can you try owning my video? Oh, Vanishnavi, why? Let me try. Let me try to get you to on your video. Ask to start video. Okay, come. Okay, so children, welcome to the P3 math tutorial lesson. My name is Ben Ong, lead teacher from 88 Tuition. All right, so today's lesson, right, we'll be doing something called money, money, money.
Not funny.
It's so funny.
Not funny.
Why not funny?
Not funny.
Money, money. It rhymes, you know. Money, money, money.
It's a song.
It's so funny. Okay, anyway, today I saw that some of you actually did the worksheet. That's very good. People like Devish, right? He actually did the worksheet. He only made a couple of mistakes. Reese also, Reese, thank you for trying the worksheet. All right, Shiloh, you did a worksheet. Vanishnavi, you're always perfect, getting full marks. All right, I love your work. And Pom Pom also did her work. Thank you so much. All right, so maybe in future, Avon, right? If you have the chance to do our worksheet before coming for a lesson, that will be greatly appreciated. Okay, come. So last week, right? Avon is joining in again. How come got so many Avon? Okay, I'm letting Avon in again. You mean Avon? There's a twins. Ta ta ta. All right, I still cannot understand which one is Avon. Is it the sister or the brother? I also don't know. Okay, so children, last week, Avon got 2%.
Huh?
Okay, anyway, Shiloh, relax. Okay, so children, last week, right? Last week, I ended off with one of this question. This is what I call the brain teaser. All right, so any one of you got the answer, children? Anyone? All right, how many triangles are there? All right, many of you give me answers like 25, 26, 32, 35. Nope. All these are the incorrect answer. All right, can I just give you 2 minutes to try? All right, give you 2 minutes to try. Come. Right, give Avon the chance to try also. Give Reese the chance to try. So Reese, if you want to write down the answer, right, can you please go to the chat and type in the answer? All right, so where is the chat, right? This is the chat. I'm going to say hello. All right, Reese says 25. 25 is incorrect. All right, so I'm going to write out all the incorrect answers. So 25 is not correct. Try again, Reese. Don't give up. All right, but don't guess. Don't guess. 31 is also incorrect. All these are wrong. Wrong. All right. Hi, Pom Pom. All right. So do you want to? Oh, 28. 28 is incorrect also. All right. All right. So 535, I will give you the answer. 29 is incorrect. Pom Pom, are you guessing? Must you count? You must count. Hey, look, children. This is also counted as one triangle. This is counted as one triangle also. This is counted as another triangle. Look. All right. This is counted as another triangle also. Come. So there's a lot of triangle. 26 is incorrect, Avon. Good try. Reese, do you have an answer? Do you have another answer? I'm sorry. Just now you say one answer already, right? Yeah. All right, you can keep trying, children. Yes, Vanishnavi, you can go to the chat and put in the answer. Your hand is being raised.
I already put.
Oh. Where Vanishnavi. She said 31. No. Down here. I wrote already. It's wrong already. Vanishnavi. All right. All right, so many answers coming in. Oh no, 33, 35. Hey, all these are the wrong answer. All these are the wrong answer. All right, all these are incorrect. That's why I'm writing it down. Oh, 1, Shiloh, that is incorrect. That's even wrong. Okay, children, the time now is 5:35. All right, you have your chance. Let me just show you how to do it systematically. Okay, because right, just to let you know, children, the reason why I like math, right, is because, right, there is always a systematic approach to things. Right? Do you know what's the meaning of systematic approach? Systematic approach means there is a way. There's a way to do it properly. All right, there is a way to do it properly. Reese, your answer 34 is incorrect. Okay, children, I'm not accepting answers already. All right, Pom Pom also 37 is incorrect. Okay, so I'm not accepting answers already. All these are incorrect. Come, let me show you the way to do it. Focus. All right. How come I got students dropping out? Where's Pom Pom? I think got connection problem. Okay, come, children. So firstly, right, we start off with the small triangle. A small triangle is like this. This is what I call one layer. Right, this is what I call one layer. Check this out. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, so there are 25 of this small triangle. Correct? All right, there are 25 of this small triangle. All right, now, what do I do? All right, I do not go and randomly go and find any other triangle. Let me increase the triangle to a 2-layer. Can you see that? This is a 2-layer triangle. Can you see that this is a 2-layer triangle? So having a 2-layer triangle means something like that. All right, a 2-layer triangle. So I'm going to do it very systematically. 1 layer followed by 2 layer. How many 2 layers triangle are there? This is considered 1. This is 2, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10. There are 10 2 layers triangle. Can you see? Can you understand? Hello, Evan. I saw you. All right. Can you understand? So there are 10 2 layers triangle. Okay. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to the 3 layers now. All right. I'm going to the 3 layers. Look, this is what I call a 3-layer triangle. All right. 3-layer triangle. Are you listening? All right. So this is a 3-layer triangle. How many do I have? All right. So this is 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer. Okay. So this is what I call a 3-layer triangle. How many do I have? All right. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see now? I got 6 of this. Can you see? All right. So you're supposed to do it slowly. All right. So I got 6 3 layers triangle. Can? Okay. Don't have to copy. Just listen. All right. This is a brain teaser. All right. Right. Pom Pom, welcome back. All right. So I'm using a systematic approach to do this question. All right. I'm counting the number of layers. After 3 layers is how many layers, children? After 3 layers is 4 layers. All right. 4 layers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4-layer triangle. Look. This is a 4-layer triangle. Right. So how many 4 layers do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. Can you see that? All right. So we have 3 4 layers triangle. All right. We have 3 4 layers triangle. Understand or not? All right. Is it over? After the 4 layers, what is the next layer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the 5-layer triangle. The whole thing. All right. How many of these do we have? We have 1. All right. The big triangle. All right. The big triangle, we only have 1. Okay. But is it over, children? Is it over? All right. Nope, not over yet. Still got, look down here. Still got, look, here. Upside down. Do you see this upside down triangle? Do you see this upside down? So how many upside down do you have? This is an upside down 2-layer triangle. How many do we have? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3. Can you see? So in total, right, how many triangles do we have? Now you can make a count because everything is counted for. 25 plus 10 is 35. 35 plus 6 is 41. 41 plus 4 is 45. 45 plus 1 is 40. 45 plus 1 is 46. 46 plus 3. Is something wrong? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 plus 10 is 35. Plus 6 is 41. Plus 4 is 45. Plus 1 plus 3. 49. Supposed to be 48 only. Sorry, I think I miscount.
Teacher,
Yes.
it's supposed to, your 4-layer triangle is supposed to be 3.
Is it? Okay, thank you, Vadishnavi. Where 4-layer triangle is supposed to be 3, is it? Let me see.
Yeah, instead of
1,
4.
2, 3. Yes, you're right. Thank you so much, Vadishnavi. Thank you for saving me. All right, this one's supposed to be 3. Thank you so much. All right, that means you understand now, Vadishnavi. Thank you so much. All right, so as you can see, 25 plus 10 is 35. 35 plus 6 is 41. 41 plus 3 is 44. 44 plus 1 is 45. 45 plus 3 is 48. Therefore, answer is 48. Can? So children, why is this important? Because I want to tell you that math is also systematic. Once you have a systematic way of doing things, right, you stick to it, you will get the correct answer every time. Yes, Pom Pom, you raise your hand. Anything? No, okay. So remember, systematic approach is very important. It's just like in primary 3, right? Your teacher teaches you something called model diagram, right? You draw models. Yes, So this model is actually very useful, very important in primary 4, primary 5, primary 6. All right, you will be using it also. All right, so always have this systematic approach to things. You will do very well in math. I promise you that. All right, you will do very well in math. Okay, so the answer for this is 48. Okay, all right. So today, right, we are going into our revision topic. All right, it's a revision topic, and today we are going to do some money. All right, some money question. And many of you actually did the worksheet. Good for you. All right, but just to let you know, for every question, right, for every tutorial, I will always start off with one extra question, children. This is the one extra question. It's not inside your worksheet. All right, it's a random question. Right, it's not in your worksheet. It's a random question. Can you please type in the answer into the chat? All right, type in your answer into the chat, please. All right, it's very simple. It's on graph work. All right, which is a topic in your primary 3, which we will be doing it soon. All right, it's a very easy topic. Can you please type in the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the answer? Oh, Reese, you got it right. Very good. Good job, Reese. All right, so we got one entry already. Reese got it right. Who else? Very easy topic. This is on graph. Even, there's no 56. Oh, there's no, is there a 54? Hey, look, even, MCQ, 1, 2, 3, 4. How come you got 54? Huh? You mean there's 54 choices? Ta, ta, ta. Right, try again, even. Ah, Shiloh, you got it right. Good job. So we have Reese got it right. We have Shiloh got it right. Good job. Anyone? Devish? What's your answer? Can you please go to the chat and type it? Pom, Vanishnavi, waiting for you. Right, it's actually quite simple, right? Oh, yes. Correct. All right, Evan, I saw your answer. Beautiful. Thank you so much. All right, we got 3 answers in already. Can I have another answer before we move on? And Devish, thank you so much. You are right. All right, Pom. All right, let me show you how to do. All right, I think you got a bit of careless. Come. All right, so Vanishnavi, Pom, and yeah, I think only Vanishnavi and Pom haven't submit. Okay, so this is what is happening. All these are what? Watermelons, right? Watermelons. So many watermelons, correct? The question is talking about seller B, C, and D. Seller B, C, and D, we're talking about here. How many watermelons are they selling? Look, 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 watermelon. 4 liter, 5 liter, 6 watermelon. 7 liter, 8 liter, 9 watermelon. 10, 11, 12 watermelon. Yes. Sorry? So I got such a beautiful voice, right? I can't stand it, you know. Yeah.
He said you're dramatic.
I'm from what? Yeah, so at the end of the year, right, I'm going to have a choir class, right, to get everybody to sing with me. Yes, right. All right, so yes, Pom, your answer is correct already, 48. Vanishnavi also, answer is 48. Very good, thank you so much. So there are 12 watermelons, and down here the question say, 1 watermelon represents 4 actually. All right, one of the diagram represents 4. So 12 times 4, all right, your 12 timetable, you need to know it by now. All right, it's supposed to be 48. And therefore the answer is the 2. Is that okay? Not too difficult. Yeah. Thank you, Vanishnavi and Pom, you got it. Good job. All right, so Vanishnavi, you raise your hand. You got something to say?
I just forgot to lower it. I just wanted to say that I chat in the chat I sent.
Okay, I saw the message already. Thank you so much, Vanishnavi. All right, so now the extra question is done. All right, let's go into the first question in our worksheet. All right, not every one of you participated. Actually, most of you participated in the worksheet. All right, but we have to go through. Shiloh, you got something to say? Come. Question 1, is it? You want to do question 1, Shiloh? Okay, come. So question 1 is by Shiloh. Shiloh actually got question 1 wrong. Yes, perfect. I want you to do this question also. Do you need to annotate? All right. So annotation is only for Shiloh. Annotation is only for Shiloh.